Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove the debug console tab that you see inside VS Code. So debug console comes into the picture whenever you try to debug your code. So as soon as you click the run start debugging button by clicking, so this button directly comes. So as you see this debug console button. So what you need to do as soon as you do this. So as soon as you right click on this, you see this option. By default it is ticked. You just need to untick this. So as soon as you untick this, that debug console message will be removed. So if you once again need to come back to this, again right click this and this will come back. So you just need to right click on the terminal. So by default it will be show. If you just untick that, it will be removed. So in this easy way you can toggle the visibility of debug console in VS Code. So thank you very much for watching this video.